Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to week 1 of Kit Conspiracy for April 2024. Super excited about this project. Not sure what it is. This is a project MK and I run twice a year, usually April and November. And we use the same kit all week long for each week. Wait, that didn't make sense. We choose 4 kits to use throughout the month of April. We switch kits at the start of the new week, and we try to use as much as we can out of the kit. So we will have matching kits this week. We are using Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Spring Garden, and I'm going to try and use as much of this as I can to create as many layouts as I can. So that's kind of exciting. And the interesting thing is always to see how MK and I do things differently, because our brains work very differently, and we have found over the years it is always fun to see what the other person does, because it's always something that is unexpected, and she always does stuff I wouldn't have thought of. So anyway, this is our first sticker sheet, and it's really cute, very springy, very Easter-ish. It's even got a bunny here, so you could use it for Easter photos. I don't know what I'm going to use it for at this point, but I'm really looking forward to trying it out and seeing what we come up with. So sometimes our kits are a little bit larger and sometimes they're smaller. This happens to be one that is a little bit on the larger side, and later in the month we do have a smaller kit, so you just never know. This is the Simple Vintage Spring Garden. This paper is called Bloom Brightly. So a little bit of a ledger, a little bit of a distressed look to it. The back is a floral that is blown up super huge. I don't know that I'll be using that side. I'll probably use this side. A pink gingham, which is actually called radish gingham. And the other side is just reads as a solid, but it is definitely not a solid. As you can see there, it's got a pattern tone on tone, and that's my favorite kind of solid. I don't use solid cardstock very often. That is my replacement. That's what I use. This is called the 3x4 elements. So these are always fun because you can cut them up into smaller bits, cut the words out, cut little elements out, cut the doily out, or you can leave it as a 3x4. You get the option. Oh, the other side is all kinds of tickets. So that's going to be fun because those can all get cut up to be layered as well. So whichever ones you're not using on this side, you can layer up the other side. Very usable. This one is called the 2x2 4x4 elements. So I'm guessing it's on the other side. The cute little floral reminds me of Grandma's wallpaper. Oh, I like this side. So lots of spring, be kind, flower market, happy day. This one actually says pinks on it. I bet MK will use that one first off. Just kidding. Got the ladybug. So lots of cute little elements, butterfly. Totally nice to be able to cut that up, and the other side's very usable. A green gingham. It's called Sweet Pea Gingham. And the other side, again, reads as a solid. So that's super fun. This one is called Picket Fence Gingham, which is just a creamy color. Again, reads as a solid, but it's not. And then it's got the gingham on the other side, which is kind of like a grayish on cream. This one is called Buttercup Gingham. Yellow. This is one of my favorite shades of yellow, kind of that buttery color. I like that much more than a lemonade color. So I'm looking forward to that one. Really pretty. Yellow has never been one of my favorite colors, but I do seem to use it a lot in scrapbooking, so we'll see. This one is called Spread Your Wings. And I like that it's got like the ledger look in the middle, but then it's kind of got like the mixed media look in the background. That's kind of cool. And then this is a very large, it looks like a packaging for something. Yeah. It actually looks like it's a receipt, but kind of cool. I don't know which side I'll use of that. That'll be interesting. This one is called Petunia Gingham Pink on Pink. So again, tone on tone, super usable. That's probably the last one that MK is going to use. Oh, this one we actually put 2 of these ones in because we both really liked this. And then we both really loved this. So another yellow. This one's called Scatter Sunshine. And it's got that hexagon honeycomb look to it. This, I just want to fussy cut that out. I think that's super pretty. So we've got 2 of those. And then we have one of these. This is called My Happy Place. Lots of butterflies. Oh, but I like the blue side. That's pretty. Very wallpapery looking. Everything looks like wallpaper today, you guys. This is the Journal Elements. So this is going to give you a lot of great places to do a little bit of journaling. I really like that as well. And then another really zoomed in floral, actually it looks like paisley pattern, which I'm glad it's zoomed in because that's not my favorite, but I'm glad it has this side. So then we actually added to our kits the Spring Garden foam stickers, which has lots of little words on it. So that'll be fun to play with. And it's got some bees. I never use the bees. Yeah, bees are not my thing to put on layouts. I don't know why. I think I've used maybe 2 bees out of my entire scrapbooking career. So those are pretty. I like those. That'll give you give us a lot of options for titles to build off of. And then this is the floral bits. So I don't know that, I guess, here, I'll just show them really close up. I'll open them and show you a few, but there's a lot of them in there, you guys. 43 die cuts. So I'll show you a few, but I won't go through the whole stack because we don't want to be here all day. So a lot of butterflies. Flowers. I think these are beautiful flowers. Gonna always use a good flower. So more butterflies. Again, I'm not going to show you pull out all the butterflies, but they do have them. There's a bee. They have the butterflies going in different orientations. So you got that one, some forward-facing ones, a little bit bigger facing the other way. So you get some options there. That's kind of cool. Rose, more butterflies and bees. Yellow flower, lots of butterflies. A reddish mauve color flower. So lots of options here. More butterflies and bees. Let's get rid of those out of the pile here. Okay, I think I've dumped most of the butterflies. There's a lot of beautiful butterflies, but I don't want to take up all of your time showing you every single one. Yellow flower, a flower cluster. I'm not sure how I feel about a flower cluster because I feel like I want to cut them apart to give them some dimension. This one's fine because it's got lots of like little bits that I wouldn't cut up, but this one I might have to cut that up. We'll see. I also am not a big fan of the huge white border, so this might require some fussy cutting, you guys. We'll see. We'll see where I go from here. So that is the floral bits. Set those to the side. This little bee needs to find a home. This is just the regular bits and pieces. And I'm going to show you close up what it has here. Another bunny, a little birdhouse, some boots or wellies, whatever you call those. A nest, a little, one of those little things that go in your garden, a little sign that says love and grow. Yeah, I don't garden, so I won't be doing any gardening photos, I'm sure, because that is not my thing. Okay, these are stuck. Oh, it has a little hole in it to let the air escape, and one of the die cuts was stuck on it. Flower market. Lots of butterflies. We might just have a whole page of butterflies. We've got some teacups. 2 different sizes, 2 different colors. More butterflies. My goodness. a heart, a green gingham heart, love, let your dreams blossom, more butterflies, happy day, and peas. Probably won't use the peas because, again, I'm not going to document gardening probably, unless it happens to be, you know, pulling weeds. Hello, live simply, grow, another flower, butterfly, another flower, some more hearts, and the birdhouse. Whoa, I just threw a few butterflies down there. Ignore that. There's the nest, the yellow flower on a ribbon. I'm not sure how I feel about the ribbon. I might have to cut that off. More little hearts to scatter around. This one just says spring, which that's easy to cover up with another word tag. So if you're not into things that say spring or in the garden, like you could say pouring rain, thunderstorm ahead. I don't know. Another flower. I was trying to see what's in the background here. There's a bee, but I don't know what, maybe it's just more flowers. Picked for you. That would be cute just to say picked you and get rid of the 4. Fresh, lovely, happy, and then another heart and our little bunny rabbit. And then we also decided to get some rub-ons. So it comes with 2 sheets, 2 6x8 sheets. This is the first one. And this is the second one. So that is it for this particular collection, you guys. I hope that you are enjoying this and having fun with Kit Conspiracy. If you're not sure about it, you can always go check out our Facebook group. We are doing this all month long, like I mentioned. This is week 1. And then we are actually sharing our kits a day early, so on the 31st. And we will hit the ground running on the 1st to get as many layouts done as we can. We commit to, I think, 3 layouts at least. I usually do well over that amount. It's just a matter of whether I'm going to have time this year or not to do as much as I normally do with everything going on at home, getting things taken care of over at my mom's house and all that kind of good stuff. So it's been a process, but I will get done as many as I can. Sometimes you get all 7 days and extras. Sometimes you get 3 or 4 layouts. So wish me luck. I hope I can do this kit justice, and I will do another kit share on the following Sunday for kit number 2. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.